Hello students of class 7th. Let's begin with the word power portion for the chapter 5. Okay, make waste to wealth a reality. So again in this word power section we are going to read today the personification. What is the meaning of personification? When a living thing is compared to a non-living thing to make our sentence beautiful, attractive, it is known as personification. जब हम किसी नॉन लिविंग थिंग को लिविंग थिंग से कंपेयर करते हैं अपने सेंटेंस को ब्यूटीफुल बनाने के लिए, तो वो क्या कहलाता है? personification. Let's read the sentences from the book. India will require space at least one third of the size of Delhi for just to accommodate the stinking polluting garbage mountains. You will find that garbage has been described almost like a living creature which needs to be accommodated. Okay, when one gives a non-human object human qualities, it is known as personification. जब हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग को ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज देकर या फिर एक नॉन लिविंग थिंग से कंपेयर करते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है? personification. Personification is a figure of speech in which something that is not human is endowed with human thoughts, actions, characteristics or emotions. Personification क्या है? It is a figure of speech in which something that is not human, जो कि human नहीं है, उसको हम ऐसे फीचर्स देते हैं जैसे कि ह्यूमन थॉट्स, ह्यूमन एक्शंस, ह्यूमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स या फिर ह्यूमन इमोशंस, जिससे हम उसको सिंपली वी कैन से, जब हम एक नॉन ह्यूमन को ह्यूमन से रिलेटेड करते हैं, ह्यूमन की सारी क्वालिटीज़ देते हैं, तो वो क्या कहलाता है? personification. Both the cities are swept by garbage wastage. It is important to burn wastage in a controlled environment. Now next is the exercise. Underline the part of sentence in which personification has been used. One has been done for you. Let's try 5. Underline the part of sentence in which personification has been used. The tree's branch moaned as I swung from it. Moaned means a human cry, painful cry. So tree की branch क्या करी? Moaned. It is a human action. The first rays of the morning sun tiptoed through the window. She did not realize that opportunity was knocking at her door. The bees played hide and seek with the flowers. Usually children play as they burst from one to other. Time marches, army marches. Okay. The wind sang through the meadow. The sun glared down. The slice of the bread jumped out of the toaster. The fire ran wild. The thunder clapped in the distance. Okay. Now use each phrase as an inspiration to write a sentence that uses personification. The first one has been done for you. The hot bowl of soup was inviting me to taste. The light showers were enlightening me with their calmness. Or the light showers were enlightening me, or they were rejoicing me, were cheering me. My bicycle was making the sound of chirp chirp. So this way any real imagination you can give and make it. That's all in this video. Thanks for listening.